Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows 10 and Windows 11 PC or laptop are not turn off after clicking on shutdown. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type powercfg.cpl. Click on OK. Select choose what the power button do and select change settings that are currently unavailable, and you just need to uncheck this option guys, turn on fast startup. After unchecking it, select save changes. Now you need to restart your PC for the changes take effect. After restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy it, tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in, press enter. After finishing this command, you just need to restart your PC, and after restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.